So this is how you are going to edit your document on Google Docs. You select the particular word that you want and then tap add comment and then insert your comment. Once you're done inserting your comment, you go ahead and just enter. And so they'll highlight wherever you've put your comments, and we shall be able to see that, okay, there is a comment over here, there is a comment over here. Also, there is an option of edit, allow to make edits. So when you select that, whatever, you can choose and make adjustments, or maybe I want to cancel out this word. When you cancel it, it will show across and it will show in different colors. And then also, if you don't want to tamper with the comments, you want just the person to be able to see what your comments were, you leave them like that, you don't enter, so that they are the ones to allow or to accept the adjustments or not. So that is the easiest way you can actually review documents and comment on Google Docs.